In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Whether you're accessing your accounts for the first time or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the official Wells Fargo website. In your browser's address bar, type in www.wellsfargo.com and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage. Once the page has loaded, take a look at the top right corner. You should see a sign on button prominently displayed. Click on it, and this will direct you to the login section of the website. Here, you'll be presented with fields to enter your username and password. Carefully input these details, ensuring there are no typing errors. If you've forgotten your login information, there's usually a forgot username password link nearby to help you recover them. Make sure your caps lock key is not turned on, as usernames and passwords are often case sensitive. After entering your information, proceed by clicking the red Sign On button. For most users, this will grant immediate access to their account. However, if this is your first time logging in on this device, you might be prompted to verify your identity. This is an added security step by Wells Fargo to ensure that your account remains secure. They usually offer options such as sending a verification code through text message or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification process, which might include entering the code they send you. Once your identity is confirmed, you should be directed to your Wells Fargo Online Banking dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer money, and much more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time, as it's designed to provide easy navigation to all essential services and features. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Always log out of your account when you're finished, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. This ensures that your financial information stays private. Lastly, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's not already in place for additional security. That's all there is to it. Accessing your Wells Fargo online banking account is straightforward once you know where to start. I hope this guide has been helpful in making you feel more confident in accessing your account securely. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your finances online.